This is Ben AI6YR, and thought I'd just pause for my day and take a video of astronauts talking from the International Space Station to the USC Vermont Elementary School, which should happen here in a minute. So we'll see if we can hear him or not.
Hey, we get to celebrate about 2 holidays per expedition. So in the arc of 6 months, we get 2 holidays and we get to pick which ones we want to do. Over. It's a very good question. So in high school, I went to, in Europe we have this thing called scientific high school, and then after that I went to the Italian Air Force Academy, and the Air Force Academy I studied political sciences and aeronautical sciences, and then I got a master in flight test engineering. Over. We need to be worried or alerted about emergencies that can happen, and either the space station reacts on its own, or we have the ground alerting us. The ground controllers on the mission control, they have all sorts of sensors and they can wake us up if we need to. Over. I personally think that the most important job is fixing the toilet, because everybody needs it. Over. Well, it's kind of controversial. While we are here, it feels like we are all in very, very good shape, but the science right now says that most of us actually tend to age faster while we are on the space station. Over. I miss them all the time. I have 2 young daughters about your age. One is 9, one is 10, and one is 13, and I really, really miss them. But I get to talk to them every day. I call them on the phone through an internet protocol via radar band, and then I also get to see them once a week. Over. So we sleep in our sleeping bags that are floating inside our little crew quarters. They're about the size of a shower cabin, of a shower box, and it's actually pretty comfortable. Over. Absolutely, Melody. That's all I've always wanted to be. But I also wanted to fly and be a pilot. I always wanted to be a writer. I wanted to be a lot of things. So I guess I just followed one of those dreams. Over. Well, so my career was a flying career. First I was a fighter pilot. Then I became a test pilot, which is a person that flies on experimental aircraft. And then when the European Space Agency made a call for astronauts, I applied, went through a selection, and after about a year of testing, I was selected together with 5 classmates. Over. I would say that most of us, those rare times that we do have a break, we like to make phone calls to the ground, to our family, but the best thing to do probably, or the most common thing to do, is to look out the window and watch the Earth floating, passing by below us. Over. Well, we have to restrain everything that we do. So we have Velcro, we have bungee cords, we have tape, double-sided tape, or just plain old duct tape, and we use everything we can so that our work doesn't float away. Over. The whole world, because it takes everybody to have a space station like this one. I thank my family, I thank my wife, my daughters, I thank my country for educating me. So really, and all the space agencies for selecting me for building the spacecraft and the ISS. So I really thank everybody, including you, for your questions. Over. about the exploration, and then you do a lot of simulation so that you always know how to react in case of emergency. Over. Well, we have a cargo spacecraft. We have these little spaceship that are launched from the ground, and they're full of food and experiments, clothing, everything that we need to be here up on the space station and work. And then they get here, and we take all the good cargo, and then we fill it with trash, and now we get rid of the trash, except for one of the cargo spaces called downlink. That one actually goes back to the
Well, it looks like that's all I'm going to be able to hear here, but that was the international station. That was Luca Parmitano, who is a astronaut, and his call sign is Kilo Fox 5 Kilo Delta Papa, and he's on the International Space Station, so we can hear him here from the Los Angeles area.